Well, hello, welcome to the video. So we've just turned up in the lovely village of Etal, and I'm going to be checking out the bikes at this year's vintage run over to Bamburgh. And as you can see, even in the car park, there's some really interesting bikes. Anyway, let's go and explore a little bit. That's what I like to see, a Guzzi. Nice V50. Look at that Rocket 3. Blimey. So Etal is a lovely village anyway. It's got a nice pub, nice castle, as you can see, nice tea rooms. But we're here to have a look at some vintage motorcycles. So this is the 2026 Vintage Motorcycle Run over to Bamburgh, and it's organised by the Vintage Motorcycle Club, the local group. And so today what they'll be doing is, I think there's about 80 bikes or so, and they're all going to be heading out for a ride out over to Bamburgh, and I think they'll be doing about 70 or 80 miles. And it's open to bikes that have flat tanks, so we're talking about up to the First World War, I guess, or just after, and also post 1930 bikes that have girder forks. So I think we're probably running up until the Second World War then. So yeah, really old stuff. So let's go and have a look at the bikes. God, I mean, look at that. Henderson 4-cylinder. What a machine. Listen to the sound of that. That's what's a BSA sloper.
We've got the brakes working. Well,
Had a long weekend of it, we're just coming back. I like that blue Ramling.
Sunbeam. And look, it hasn't even got a drip tray.
you know, like this one. This is MH31. 31 and a half springs. This one is what is this?
Alright, okay, let's have a look.
No, I wouldn't watch it.
That is absolutely delicious, that is.
That couldn't be more Italian if you tried, could it?
a bit of smoke. I'm going to make it, that one. Flying the flag, that's what I like to see. Right, so that's the last of the bikes. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and many congratulations to all the riders and the owners taking part, and of course congratulations to the VMCC for organising such a cracking little event. Right, I'll see you later.